Uh, Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In my previous videos, we saw how to install Python and how to install Robot Framework in Windows 11. So in this video, we'll be covering an IDE which will be helpful for our test case development or our development activity. So in order to work with the Python, so we need to have some IDE. So many people use Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, or PyCharm or Selenium. So based on the requirement and the project requirement. So in this video, I will be showing how to install Visual Studio Code for our development activity. So if you want to install Visual Studio Code, you have to go to official website. So once we click on that, it will land on our installation download page. So here you can see uh, the different OS it supported: Windows, Ubuntu, and Mac. So as we are currently on a Windows 11, so we'll be downloading installer start immediately. So we can click on direct download link, so it will start downloading. You can see download is completed. We'll just open this, click on this installation file, so it will start installing the application in our system. Okay, so it will just say some license agreement, you can accept it. Next, click on next, and install. So this will take some time to install the application in our system. Let's wait to complete. Okay, now installation is done. Just we can click on finish. So once we click on finish, it will open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code what we have in our system now. So here we can see the file, uh, and there are different things. So we just mark it as a done. So we can say new file. Just to start with some a Python file. So we can say uh, test.py and save this file. Just right click. So in order to run the interpreter, go to sorry. So when you try to it will run this Python script. It will say find Python extension. Just click on this. So it will say